channel everyone. Today I'm going to be talking about a few of my favourite products and doing a little tutorial for you as well. So keep watching. So I've prepped my eyelids and now I'm going to start with eyeshadow. So my current favourite eyeshadow palette at the moment is definitely the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette. I love the fact that it doesn't have a lot of fallout. The shimmers are insanely pigmented and so easy to blend with and super creamy as well. I'm going to start with Demure. Really nice kind of transition shade to start with. Now I'm going to go in with Sandalwood just to darken the crease up a little bit. Now I'm just going to apply Blessed all over my eyelid. So eyes are done. I'm now moving on to prepping my face ready for my foundation. I would normally use a primer, but at the moment I don't have any. So I'm currently using the First Aid Beauty Coconut Water Cream as my primer. It's still very light. It's very hydrating as well. Also going to pop on some eye cream. I'm currently using Clinique All About Eyes and I'm absolutely loving it. It's very hydrating, almost like a cream to oil feel as well. Now that my face is prepped, I'm going to move on to foundation. I absolutely love the Kat Von D Lock-It foundation. Definitely one of my favourite full coverage foundations. I've tried heaps in the past and nothing compares to this. For concealer, I'm absolutely in love with the Sephora High Coverage Concealer Natural Finish. These are one of the best concealers I've ever tried. Very full coverage, but won't sit into fine lines as much as some other full coverage concealers do. Contouring, I only have a mini of this, but I'm definitely buying the full size one when I run out of this. It is the Benefit Hoola Quickie Contour Stick. I've never really tried contour sticks before or cream contour, but this I absolutely love. It is so creamy, so easy to apply, really easy to blend as well. Doesn't lift the foundation up as well. of formula, so I found I haven't needed to set my entire face after using it. I just set underneath my eyes now. I always top it off as well with a little bit of Hoola bronzer, just to set it that little bit more and just to darken it a little bit more. Now I'm going to use one of the old Tarte Colour Wheel blush palettes. This I believe is from Christmas 2016. As you can see, I've barely used any of them bar one shade. But today I'm going to use Surreal. It's kind of light. Nice pink one at the top. Now on to highlight. I am currently using and loving the new Dior Backstage Glow Face Palette. I've been using a lot of the strobe white shade. It's really nice and pigmented. It doesn't give a very glittery highlight. It's more like a glowy highlight. So on to setting spray. I'm currently using the new Cover FX High Performance Setting Spray. Using it as a gentle spray as well. It's not like you're being blasted in the face with water. Now to finish eyes, I'm going back in with the Huda Rose Gold Remastered palette and just going in with Demure on my lower lash line. I'm also just going to go in again with my Dior Backstage Glow Face Palette, again with white strobe, and just highlight my inner corner. Now onto brows. I absolutely love, and I'm sure everyone else out there loves them as well, the Anastasia Dipbrow pomades. Super easy to apply, really good for a natural brow or even a more structured brow. And these last forever. I like to get rid of my Benefit 24-hour brow setter. I find this is really the only thing that I find keeps my brows in place all day. Now onto mascara. I normally like to use two mascaras just because I use the Benefit Roller Lash to separate my lashes a little bit more. But I'm firstly going to go in with my mini Tarte Tarteist lash paint. I've tried many mascaras in my time, but I always find so many little black dots down here. This I find hasn't yet. So I'm just going to go with my Benefit Roller Lash to separate my lashes a little bit more. Now onto lipstick. I'm absolutely loving Nudestix at the moment. They're the only mattes I've found that don't dry my lips out. I can't wear Kat Von D liquid lipstick anymore because they dry my lips out so much. These I find they're a little more comfortable to wear. This shade though is one of the cream lipsticks. This is probably a really nice nude on me. This one is Mystic from Nudestix. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment if you want to know anything else about any of the products that I used.